Hi friends, what do you see in the given picture? It seems two girls are talking to each other. Yes, they are talking to each other. One girl is looking at something and about to say something to that other girl sitting there. The one who is holding coffee cup is looking constantly at something. What is she looking at? Let us listen to their conversation, okay? Wow, how beautiful it is. What are you talking about, Manisha? Look at the painting, Navya. It is simply painting of a tree. Can't you see anything else in the painting? Yes, I can see only thin stem and its thinner branches. Look at it constantly and tell me. No, I can't find anything else. Have you ever heard about Lord Vishnu's Dasavatara? Of course, I heard. In what way is Dasavatara connected to that painting? Yes, I am able to see Vishnu's Vamanavtara in that painting. What? Come again? Yes, if you observe it keenly, you can find Vamanavatar in it. My God, yes. Now I am able to see Vamana placed one foot on the earth and another on the king Bali. He is holding an umbrella too. How great the painter is. Really, there are many talented people in this world. Yes, Navya. God gives each one some talents. He should identify his talent, work on it. Then success will adore him. This is the conversation between those two girls. Of course, some changes were made in the conversation because there is no space for typing the letter. When two persons talk to each other or more than two persons talk with one another, conversation would go on in that way. But when we are describing some incident or something else, or when we are narrating something, our narration will be going on in this way. Today, someone posted this picture, this painting. See how beautiful it is. That credit really goes to the painter who painted such a wonderful painting. What do you see? Just it seems like a tree having small branches without having leaves. It seems to be like a tree without having leaves. All the leaves are shed and no flowers are seen. Nothing is there except the stem, the main twig, the stem branches. That's all. Nothing else is there. But if you look at it constantly, you can find a figure. Whose figure is that? Could you identify? Yes. I will give you a small hint. How many avatars does Lord Vishnu have? It is believed Lord Vishnu has 10 avatars. Because I am using present tense because one avatara has to commit. That is, Kalki avatara has to commit. But all 9 avatars were already completed. Amongst those 9 avatars, one avatara is shown in this picture. What's that avatara? Yes, exactly. It is Vamana avatara. You find Vamana avatara in this picture. And see, one of his legs was put on the earth. It seems to be like earth. And another foot was put on the demon called Bali Chakravarti. Right? So, this is the figure of Vamana who put both of his feet on the earth and Bali Chakravarti. Hats off to the Creator's creation. Yad bhavam tad bhavat. Thus, this video deals with conversation and narration. So, friends, you can also identify the difference between dialogue and monologue.